wonderful good day to you all. Welcome to Godsend and Precious TV. If today is your first day for passing our TV, please kindly subscribe our TV and watch our video. Make sure you drop a positive comment and like. If you want to share, you are free to share. For all Tama, our whole love and Tama subscribe, we thank you all because for being there for us, for watching our video in any time we upload the video, for stay with us, for showing us love. We thank you now. Well. We thank you now. Well, a word is not enough for us to say thank you to you all for watching our video, for supporting us. In this our TV this morning, I have just a little story to say, and after that, I will put video, you will see what the man said. In this video, the man speak about fresh. What is fresh? Our body. Because the man was in cemetery, he speak about flesh and peace. He say he dey inside cemetery, so he get peace, no noise, no brother fight, no my marriage my whole marital fight, no relationship fight, no husband and wife fight, no family fight, no heavy, no jealousy, no hatred, no gossip in cemetery. Yes, the man is very right and correct. I really see a lot of reason for wetin the man talk. Yes, the man really speak truth. Wetin make us dey heavy ourselves is because say we still dey life, we get fresh that God in heaven give to us. We get breathe wey we take dey breathe wey God in heaven give to us. We still dey waka because we get the fresh never die. The soul never die wey God give us, na make us still dey talk, we still dey alive. Some still dey, na then you go see some still dey heavy. Mate say, oh, my mate get peace for her husband house, me I no get. My mate get peace for her relationship, or either in relationship, me I no get. I must scatter around. My mate build house, I no build. I must do anything but to destroy it or her. My mate do this one, I must destroy. Over in dead body or over her dead body, you can never see her. Waiting we dey fight for this life. Wetin we dey fight for wey be say God wey create us, we still dey do things wey we not supposed to do. He still have mercy for us. He still give us life to live. Wetin we dey fight ourselves for? Wetin we dey kill ourselves? Na then you go for see some person go dey Europe, he go suffer kpika, day go break, he go enter road, he go enter work, night he no go quick sleep for that 8 hours or 10 hours wey supposed to take sleep in the night. He no go sleep, he go sleep for just 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours. The next day he stand up, he go to work. Na then you go see a person, his sister or her sister or his relative or her relative go carry money shop am. If the person talk, he go say make bring head, make kill am. Wetin we dey kill ourselves for? God give us fresh and peace and breathe to love ourselves. Love your neighbor the way you love yourself. Even the book of it say in John 3:16, the book of John 3:16 say, for God so loved the world, and he give only begotten son, that whosoever believe in him will not die. Wetin we dey speak for? Love. Because God already give us the love. He give to us the love so that we can give it to one another. Love your neighbor the way you love yourself. Love your brother, love your sister the way you love yourself. I don't know the reason why we dey kill ourselves for, dey heavy ourselves, dey gossip. If you we dey the same camp, they give us they give this family document, they did not give the other one, every go come, or they see who they do something, you go carry comot go tell people what they take care of. They say na so this one they do, na so this one they do, to spoil a name or to spoil a name. Wetin we dey fight for? Just a little life wey we get. God na give all this life wey we dey. So if if God say this life you must take am, you must surely take am. The reason why I come today to say this word, say may we love ourselves, may we love ourselves the way may we love ourselves, our family, because nothing dey this life according to that man. Try to watch this video to the end and see what this man speak of. See the words that come out in this man mouth. See what the man is saying. Just reason it and make sure you drop it in the comment. Try to watch the video, and if you watch the video, wetin you see for the video, please, brothers and sisters, help me drop am for comment below so that we will reason this matter another day. Because I see the wonder wetin we dey care ourselves for, and so you see some go say I must do this one, I must do that, I must do that, I must do that. Wey be say where we die today, we go with nothing, because we come with nakedness, we will still go with nakedness. Me, I never see person today wey say, you go say wow, he build that state, he build house for America, London, Nigeria, all over the world. Say he can't die or she can't die, they can't put am for big car enter grave. I never see that one before. Or they all build the full house for am, just turn grave full the house, put am for this one, put am for this one, put am for that one. Me, I not see, I never see a one. The person go, the person come, you want go na one room. If your family still be good person, they go put am for one room. If your family not be good person, they go put am for cemetery. Me say cemetery. So me, I not see the reason why we dey care ourselves. Me, I not see the reason why we dey just dey bother, dey kill ourselves. I must make it, I must do this, I must do this. And then you say who go use the papa or your pikin take do ritual or the name of wealth. Wetin we dey kill ourselves so for? Wetin we dey jealousy ourselves? Jealousy ourselves. If you two have all two Nigerians, especially we wey be Africa, you see your mates dey work for the same place and they work the same place, you go try to spoil the person mind to the patron or to the boss. Spoil the person man to the boss, so that the boss go pursue the person, only you want go remain. Or maybe na the person bring you there, or maybe na you bring the person there, or maybe na you find your own come, you find your own come. But you must surely find one thing, say one thing another, to spoil that person mind, so that the boss go pursue the person. Wetin we dey fight for? Not today. This life, I reason it is the vanity of vanity. You do good, you must go. You do good in this life, na good pass. Because when I was a little child, my grandmother used it to make parable for me. My language say, a good name is better than rich. Wetin that name, what did that thing mean? Let me say a person just say, okay, I feel say like me now, I say godsend. Godsend is a good name. Not be that thing, not be in me, no. Wetin in me say, hey, some person there and they go just die today. He go say, wow, person go say, hey, may this man so rest in peace. May this woman so rest in peace. She was very nice. She was very kind. She's a good woman, or is a good man, because he have already planted it before he or she die. Now then your first see son, they go say, hey, I think say he no go die. Or Paul, what he do? He no go die. Make as he die, so he go die, they go, they die, they go, they die, they go. His son no go rest in peace, he go rest in pieces. Why? Because he don't do bad thing. You hear me? Because Bible make me understand that when in this earth, we must, anybody wey do good for this earth, he must surely judge this. He must reap what he sow. He or she must reap wetin they sow before he die. God go judge am finish. Na so you see person now he go, they sick today, they go find go anywhere, they go say na wetin he do or wetin she do, and they worry am make he talk. Na wetin they fit do na it happen. So my sister, my brother, wetin make me come out today to say this word, say nothing dey this world. Wetin we all dey see for this life na vanity for vanity. You get money today, you go die. You no get, you go die. So far you live comfortable. Love your neighbor. If you get something, person ask, you are free to give him or her. Give. Now God na go reward you. No be say I don't do help for victory. Last year, victory reward me with bad. It's not victory is going to reward you. It's a God Almighty. Because everything we do in this earth, God reward us, not human being. You hear me? If you are waiting for human being like you to appreciate your goodness of in your life, my dear, you will hold for waiting. Nobody is going to reward you. It's God. You can only say, wow, if not this person, if not this person, if not this person, that is the only thing you will say is God will reward you. You will not know how God will reward you. But I'm saying it today that do not expect human being like you to come and reward you for what you done for him or her. No. God Almighty will be the one that will reward you. Don't give up. Started giving. Give. Do good to people. Even though they reward you with bad, it doesn't matter. My dear, love your neighbor the way you love yourself. Let peace reign in your home, in anywhere you is. Let peace. Let good name. Like as I said before, good name is better than riches. Let your name flow for good. Or say, that person is a very nice person. That person, I know, no matter what you will do in this life, you can never satisfy people. Yes, I know. But in God's way, the moment you use your heart to do good things for people, God will be the one that will reward you. Thank you. Try to watch this video. Then watch this video and make sure if you are not yet subscribed. Like as I said, please, please, my brothers and sisters, subscribe for us so that we will have more strength to give you more advice, because this our TV will share many things. Please, can you subscribe for us? After you subscribe, after watch, subscribe, like, and drop a comment, positive comment. The comment will follow the video when you watch, so that we go be happy, see strength to upload another video. And make sure you listen to these words where this man talk. If you listen, you will enjoy it, and you will see what the man talk. It makes sense. Thank you very much.
Here we are. All right, here we are. What do you see around here? What do you see? I see peace. I see togetherness. I see community. I see family. I see love around here. You see, my friends, this is your problem. The flesh is my problem. The flesh. This is the reason why we kill other people. This is the reason why we are envious. This is the reason why we keep malice. This is the reason why we have animosity. And Paul said, for I am crucified with Christ. Notwithstanding, I live. But the life that I live now, I live by the faith of the Son of God who gave himself for me. When we don't die to this, when we don't die to this, we will have problems in relationships. We will have problems in marriages. We will have problems with our children. We will have problems with our parents. We will have problems with our neighbors. We will have problems with our flock. We will have problems with our shepherds. When we don't die to this, leaders will have problem with their followers. Followers will have problem with their leaders if we do not die to this. Let's talk about marital relationship. This is the reason why people have issues. This is the reason. For peace to reign in relationship, you need to die. You are too sensitive. That's why you got offended easily. You are too alive. That's why you remember things that were done against you. You are too alive. That's why you keep records of evil done. That's why you are unforgiving. Too alive. Too alive. Die. Die. Look at them. Look at them. Everyone lying down in peace, in harmony. We're here now. If we come back 30 years from now, They will still be in peace. Oh, they stepped on my toes. Die. Oh, what do you think you are? Don't you know me? Die. When you die, nothing will move you and nothing will matter. You need to die. To have good relationship with everyone around us, to have good relationship with people around you, you need to die to the flesh. Wow. Paul said, I die daily. So whenever you wake up in the morning, just get ready to die. So you will never have a bad day if you woke up to die every day. Look at them in peace, in harmony. There's nowhere that is as peaceful as this place. It doesn't mean you are stupid. It just means that you have this under control. Can you do that, please? I'm working on this too, so that there will be peace in your family, peace in your relationship, peace among your co-workers, peace in our communities, peace in our world. Die to the flesh. How about